the bunny hops to the farm. So many friends, what fun and charm. Let's meet them all, one by one. Animal sounds, so much fun. Hop, 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 out on the farm today. The cow says moo, standing so still, out in the pasture on the hill. The pig says oink, pink and round, rolling in mud on the ground. Hop, 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 out on the farm today. The sheep says baa, so soft and white, woolly and fluffy, what a sight. The horse says neigh, tall and strong, bouncy waves as he trots along. Hop, 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 out on the farm today. The chicken says cluck, feathers so bright, pecking at seeds from morning to night. So many friends, what a wonderful day. Bouncy waves and skips away. Hop, 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 out on the farm today. The duck says quack, swimming with glee, splashing around in the pond so free. The goat says baa, no wait, that's wrong. The goat says ma, all day long. Hop, 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 out on the farm today. Bouncy the bunny says goodnight. Close your eyes and rest your head. See you tomorrow, sleepyhead.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun.